Good morning from Nassau, Bahamas. We are doing the Pearl Island Beach Escape today, so hopefully we get some good snorkeling in. Hopefully I get to fly my drone a good bit, and it looks beautiful, so let's go get off the ship and enjoy Nassau. The Royal Beach Club, Paradise Island, for Royal Caribbean. Construction is definitely underway for that. It's going to be an incredible place to spend the day, but it is kind of sad to see some of the old beautiful houses when you sailed in. But once it's done, I guarantee it's going to be a sight to see when you're sailing into Nassau.
Doors opening.
We made it off the ship. We're hoping I have enough time to fly the drone before we get to the Pearl Island. We got about 45 minutes right now, and first look next to Utopia. Incredible. Looks like we're in port with Radiance of the Seas, Carnival Sunshine, and Conquest. So Utopia is going to look massive next to these ships. This is our first time seeing the new Nassau Cruise Port, and it looks pretty nice.
Good morning.
A lot of new shops and solicitation definitely on this stretch. This is really nice though, because if you do want to just get off the ship and go to some of the new shops they have, it's very nice to walk through. So no luck flying the drone yet because we are too crunched for time. So we're headed back to the ship through the cruise port over this nice area right here, and then we're headed to Pearl Island. We're finally getting on our ferry to Pearl Island, and that slide looked like it's seen better days. Utopia of the Seas definitely towers over all these ships here. You could probably put two of them together and it still wouldn't be the same size as Utopia. And after a long boat ride, we finally made it onto Pearl Island. Definitely is a pretty little island over here. We're setting up over in this spot. It's not too far from the beach, but it doesn't look like that they have any chairs down on the beach here. That was a great drone flight here at Pearl Island. Now it's time to go swim. We're gonna go scout out some snorkeling. Then once we get some good spots, I'm gonna grab the snorkel and the GoPro, and we're gonna head in the water. Snorkeling wasn't too bad. Now we're about to get some food. Look how beautiful this water looks. I'm also pretty sure that we can climb to the top of the lighthouse, so we're definitely going to try and do that. Okay, we're going to try and climb this lighthouse. Oh, the inside looks pretty cool. Let's go up. Made it to the top of the lighthouse. This is a pretty cool view of Pearl Island. Okay, time to head back down, try some of this food. The food's right at the end of the lighthouse. We're gonna pop in and try some. I got some barbecue chicken and some fried fish. Not bad. was a pretty good cruise excursion, but we are back at the Nassau Cruise Port. We made it back up into the room and changed real quick. We were about to head down and do a little filming for a late lunch for the food tour vlog. Then we're gonna see if there's any pier runners, because we got about 18 minutes until people need to be back on board. So let's go. We just reviewed the Boardwalk Doghouse for the food tour vlog. Now it's time to go catch some pier runners. It's now 4:30, and there's still a lot of people coming down the pier right now. That was a great sail away from Nassau. Now it's time for me to switch to the GoPro because we're going to be playing some laser tag. This looks awesome. Go, 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 go.
3, 2, 1.
Same team.
Congratulations, Bulldogs.
Wow, guys, laser tag was a blast here on Utopia. And guess what? It's free. All you have to do is reserve your time. There was plenty of time slots open for even 4 of us. We booked it yesterday in the afternoon, and you get like 10 to 15 minutes. Just go around and have a good time. But now we're about to head to Mason Jar for the food tour vlog, and I'll also show you guys a little bit in this. But if you want to see us review the food at the Mason Jar, be sure to check out our Utopia of the Seas food tour vlog. Time to go try the Mason Jar. Already the vibe in here is so cool. This food is definitely gonna be good, I can already tell. The menu here at the Mason Jar looks so good. This is a specialty restaurant, it's $50 per person. But if you get it pre-cruise, I think we paid around maybe $40 a person. But I think it's definitely gonna be worth it. Wow, these deviled eggs look good. Mason Jar loads you up with sides. And I did already try this chicken sandwich, but this is a very good chicken sandwich. Food here has been incredible. I'm about to make a real controversial statement right now. The Mason Jar might be the best specialty dining restaurant I have ever had on any cruise ship. I don't know if Britt agrees with me. What do you think?
Yeah, I definitely agree.
We're gonna head back to the cabin after eating that food. And after that, we're gonna be going to the Aqua show to end the night. We're walking through Central Park, and look at those beautiful stingray art pieces that they have. This is just such a beautiful part of the ship, especially at night. Time for the Aqua show. there was so much copyright music, so I had to play a different song over it. But wow, AQUA80TOO on Utopia. If you guys are sailing on this ship, you have to go see that show. It was incredible. But anyway, that concludes our Nassau day. So thank you guys for coming along. Cruise on.